is there a Longhorn in our bed? A Texas Longhorn right there.
You talking about me? Oh, the baby.
It's time for Bird's birthday party. Our friends came into town last night. So this is Bird's place. I mean, this is Bird's bed.
Don't judge us.
Alright, it's time to get ready because the party's in like 2 hours.
Listen, I call myself trying to be hospitable, and you're going to keep making fun of us because we put my baby in a packing place. You always be my baby. Come here. You always be my baby. Okay, bye. You smell like pee.
Huh?
You smell like pee. Yeah.
Me?
Yeah, you.
Not me.
Yeah, you.
No, I didn't poop.
You peed. You peed in your pod. Yeah.
You about to be 3. You gotta stop peeing when you pull up. It's time to get ready.
It's time to get ready, guys.
Yeah, so come on.
Come on.
Go brush your teeth.
Come on. Go. Put my panties on. Then put my shorts on. Then get my slippers.
And then what?
Then
Come downstairs.
come downstairs.
Alright. We're not late?
We're not late. Buckle you now. Let me buckle you down. Yes. You better keep giving mommy smiles. Keep giving mommy smiles. Okay? Smile until mommy finishes buckling you. And then mommy's going to get in the car. And then we're going to go for your sister's birthday party. Yes. Do you want your passy? Do you want it? Yeah? Here. You want it? No? Okay, mom's gonna jump in. Okay, here I go.
Did you get the ranch?
Yes. I got the ranch.
What time is supposed to be there?
We can start decorating as early as 10. Hey! Oh, don't you do it. Oh, not the lip. Oh, don't hit mommy with the lip. Don't hit mommy with the lip. Oh, the sun is in the baby's eye.
Alright. We're on time. Praise ye the Lord. You got all the tape? You got scotch tape?
I couldn't find it. I brought the packing tape.
Is that gonna stick to the wall?
Packing tape? You don't think so? I thought packing tape was like extra sticky.
Oh, I don't know. Might take the paint off the wall.
I left my list
List of what?
of people. Ooh,
Why you need that?
because they have to say their name at the door.
Really?
It's really exclusive, like.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Host a Diddy 3-year-old party.
Well, this is my philosophy. Step into my brain.
Oh boy.
I don't think we overkilled it in spending $1 million.
You're right. You spent $500,000.
Whatever. This is her first birthday party away from all of her cousins and mamas and pop-pops and yayas and grandpops and Naomi's and Carmen's and Brielle's, and they don't have those people, none of them people, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And it would have broke my heart if she hadn't. Just looked at me with sad little eyes on her birthday. And she says, "Where are my friends?" You know she's smart like that.
Oh, really? Because
Yes.
mommy and daddy wouldn't have been enough.
Oh, why you gotta say it like that?
Because I think our 3-year-old is also resilient.
You can transfer it. Oh,
That's
I gotta
cool.
wait till she pick up.
I also think our 3-year-old is resilient, and she would have been more than happy with.
Mommy's not, okay?
Okay, thank
Yes.
you. All right, be honest with yourself. Yes,
Is that
very
what you
happy.
wanted to hear?
Your call has been forwarded to an
You got Keenan's number?
Just want you to be self-aware. All right,
Thank y'all.
we are here at the museum, one of Bird's new favorite places to come. I take her here often on Daddy Daycare.
It's a museum.
The museum. All right,
You made it.
she made it.
Let's celebrate, y'all. 5 minutes of driving, no screaming.
Baby didn't scream. Baby didn't scream. Thank
She's
you.
looking
Chief.
at me. She's like,
Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Happy birthday, Birdie. That is her Bird's face.
Like the butter tree. Was your boat drifting down the street? Mommy, mommy, mommy.
We're going to get started. Before we pray, what's up? You got a camera for me? Got a camera for me?
Do I go what?
Can you get a camera for me?
Yeah, I got you.
So before we get started, we just want to say a few words. We'll pray, but honestly, bringing out from the bottom of our heart, we'd like to thank everyone for being here. As you know, the Warlocks just came to Waco, and the community that we found has been overwhelming. So Brittany is huge on birthday parties. So for you guys to be here, to come out to celebrate Anastasia, especially how social she is, it really does mean the world to us. So thank you all. I'm glad I get to meet some of the husbands. You didn't tell me that your husband Tyler was 7 foot. So I was like, hey, how you doing? So what'd you think? I don't know. Let me know. Leave your comments. That was this past weekend, Anastasia's blast off 3rd birthday party that Brittany and I was able to work together and make it happen for our little princess who is growing up so quickly. Quickly, I want to give a shout out to Nicole Turner, DJ, Monica, Tiffany, Nate. Shout out to Nate for the music. That what you guys heard on that is Nate's music. I'm going to learn how to give proper credit, but big shout outs to you, Nate, for letting me use that.
big shout out to Nicole, who took the time to help me to create the intro that you guys see, the music that goes along with that. She spent hours all week just helping me out, answering one question after another. Everybody who answered the phone or answered my FaceTime when I was trying to contact them just to get feedback. So thank you to everyone who I just mentioned. I really do appreciate it. I hope you guys subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram. Come see our lives, all right? Ward Lost to Waco. We are doing this. We're having fun. We're enjoying it. You're going to see highs. You're going to see lows. Subscribe, follow, share as much as you can. We want to share our lives with you, bottom line. So again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week for the next episode.